Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Gold to look ahead to the US economic docket during the week. Overall, we may see two-way swing movement as gold direction remains data dependent. Overall sentiments to keep gold limiting its sharp downside. Meanwhile, upside may be seen if inflation number softens a bit in US. Gold intraday support is around 72,100 and 71,600, while resistance is seen around 73,000 and 73,400. Going ahead with energy update, crude oil prices are trading lower today. Its fourth straight session of losses as supply threat is seen easing with falling risk premium and easing weather related concern. Today's focus will be on the EIA weekly inventory data, which is likely to report a straight second week of fall after last week heavy drawdowns. With OPEC monthly report and inflation data lineup, volatility is likely to persist. WTI oil is approaching its initial weekly support towards $80.50 per barrel, and prices might reverse from the same. Crude oil intraday support is around 6,740 and 6,660, while resistance is around 6,890 and 6,950. Continuing with base metal update, copper prices are expected to face pressure as the annual inflation rate in China ticked lower to 0.2% in June 2024 from 0.3% in the previous month. This marks the fifth consecutive month of consumer inflation, the lowest rate since March. Meanwhile, producer prices decreased by 0.8% year on year in line with forecast and slower than May's 1.4% fall. Additionally, the yuan is under pressure amid a strong US dollar following Fed Chair Powell's reaffirmation of the central bank's cautious stance on interest rate cuts. Copper intraday support is around 863 and 857, while resistance is around 870 and 875. On currency front, dollar has been its own calm since yesterday and continue to do so, having rebounded from a three-week low after Fed Chair Jerome Powell struck a cautious tone on how soon US interest rate cuts would come. Despite a raft of global cues lined up this week, traders expect the rupee to largely hover in its current trading range and well supported near 83.60 on expectation that the Reserve Bank of India will curb sharp fall while facing stiff resistance on attempt to rise above 83.30. Major events scheduled today are US JOLTS job opening, Fed chair speech. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.